Are you wondering how to get clipboard on iPhone, just like, for example, we have on Android phones? So see, for example, I can quickly paste some things here. So actually, I have some very bad news. iPhone isn't actually very advanced compared to Android, and for keyboard, so default keyboard, we actually do not get a clipboard, which is absolutely insane. So what the hell? So you see, we actually can't get keyboard on the Apple keyboard. Also, for example, if you were to install, for example, Gboard, so again, on Android phones, you can also install on other Android phones Gboard, and that keyboard has an basically like clipboard. But if you basically check it on the basically like iPhone, again, we also do not get clipboard here. Absolutely ridiculous. So the only way how to get clipboard is using some kind of third-party apps, what I have found. So personally, I'm using this one pretty much every single day. So this Paste keyboard. So in the app stores, it's at the time of filming at least, it's free app. So you see over here, we can enter some presets that we can quickly copy here. It does have some ads. So maybe there are some other softwares, maybe paid ones, which doesn't have ads. But yeah, so I'm simply pasting here, click save, so you see it gets saved in the presets. And then once I, for example, go somewhere, so it essentially creates like a new keyboard for you. So you see you can switch between using this key. So again, I have basically the presets here. So for example, I can quickly paste something here. So you see it actually works absolutely great. And again, if you only have, so I have like the Gboard installed. Let's uninstall this. I'll show you what it actually looks like in real life. Okay, so let's check again. So yeah, the usability. So you see, if you press it, so it's pretty much instant. So again, I have found usability to be absolutely perfect of this one. So you see, there's no faff, actually like very easy to use. But yeah, it's absolutely ridiculous. iPhones by general do not even come with clipboard. So what the hell? So this is so pathetic. So yeah, anyway, good luck.